ATM, also ATM, also ATM.
Let me tap that dunk.
Hi guys, before we get into this week's vlog, I just want to show you guys really quickly this package that Luvme here sent me to sponsor this week's vlog. So let's just get right into it. No, if we're not hesitate, we just jump right into it. Alright, boom. So this is the box that they sent me, and inside this box we have a section clip, some tips for comfort during wear, we have a bag for storage, some wig caps, and they added a label that you can use to categorize the wig. So of course we have the unit here that we will be working with today, and this is the Messy Burmese Curly Glueless 7x6 Closure HD Lace wig, and this has a pre-cut lace. As you can see, there are a lot of security measures, so this wig isn't going anywhere. You have extra snaps, a comb, and an adjustable elastic band in the back of the wig to ensure that your glueless wig will not go anywhere. This is how it's looking straight out the bag. I have done nothing to it, as you guys can see. I just took it out the box and put it on my head. I did feel like I wanted the top a little bit more snatched, so I did go in with my hair wax and hot comb to just flatten that a little bit, give it a more sleek look. And then we're going to get into styling, and when I say styling, I mean just using my water and conditioner in a spray bottle and spraying this baby down. So this is the finished look. I am obsessed with the hairline of this wig. That's why I went ahead and opted for no baby hairs, because I just wanted to appreciate how the front of this wig is looking. And as I said, this is straight out of the box. This is the perfect unit for you if you're truly a wear and go person. You're just one of those people that would really rather not indulge in melting spray and lace glue and all of that. You just want to take the wig out of the box, put it on your head and go on about your business. This is the perfect unit for you. So if you guys are interested in this unit, don't forget the link will be down in my description box down below. So if you guys want to go and check it out, you can. As I said, this is a Burmese curly, and I'm truly in love with the curl pattern. Plus the hair is super soft, like super soft. The brush is just constantly gliding through it. I wish my hair was this soft, honestly, like no joke. Like I'm just obsessed with this unit. So yeah, you guys can go ahead and check it out down below in my description box. But that's it for today's sponsored portion. Thanks again to Luvme for sponsoring this portion of today's vlog, and we're going to get right into it because child, it's a movie. So good morning. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be traveling. No, before we get into anything else, number one, this is a perm rod set. Listen, I take my time. This marinated over the past 2 days. I take my time, use my curling gel, use my end paper, I use a small rod, then I do 4 hours under the dryer in a Jamaican summer heat. Yeah, and this is the end result. This is how I want it to look after I just pull it out, because it is going to fall. I need it to suck up to my scalp, because if you don't know, my hair is about right here now. So when it falls, it's gonna fall beautifully and it's going to last a very long time, hopefully. So yeah, that's number one. Number two, I am traveling, and if you've been here over the past 4 years, or not just here but on my sister's channel, you would know that every year we do our annual family vacation. However, our next destination isn't one that you can just get up and go to in 2 months, and we failed to plan, so we are not going on family vacation this year. I know, but for it not, it's going to happen again next year, God's will. But yeah, this year it was just so, which probably won't go too far for never plan from last year, if you don't get me. But I feel like Mexico did kind of shake we up a little bit, so we were just kind of like we'll still get to that. But anyways, yeah, we're traveling. I'm traveling solo. Yeah, we're going to the US of A. I'm about to go to Montego Bay. I'm heading to Knutsford to take a bus, go to Montego Bay, and then leave from the Mobile airport. It's gonna be my first time, but I'm excited because the airport look bougie, look fancy, look like foreign. I'ma feel like if I can get the ticket for cheaper and experience that, why not? Because Kingston prices are ridiculous, and normal man need Jesus. Like Jesus himself need for go to them start with some renovation in here, but for the ticket price between so that like a $700 difference between the ticket up here and Mobile, and the place not still good. You can't even get AC and fan when you sit down. I'll pass. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We are about to head. Oh, I can't wait for this. Just bye. I say it looks scrumptious and juicy. Love it, love it. Alright, so I made it to Knutsford. I'm in the boarding lounge. I'm the only one in here, so I like that. But also go fill out my bag tag them. As a big woman, I have a pen in my back. Guys, I think I left my SD card with that. Do we have that for laptop? Anyways, what else am I getting one? As a big woman, I have one pen in my bag. As a little sister, I stole it from my big sister. So yeah. I one thing about the camera, and I love ramp with me because why may I turn it on? I want to press the button about 6 times and it never come on. Why? I have filled out everything. I'm just here chilling. I have approximately 1 hour to wait before my bus starts board. Well, it probably soon start boarding like 20 minutes, but I have 1 hour to wait until it leaves. So I have a very long day ahead of me. A very long day ahead of me. Sigh. But yeah, as long as we make it safe and I'm not clog the door, I will be good. So yeah, this is also like my first real time. This is my first time traveling to my destination solo. So I've traveled back solo before, but not to my destination solo. So yeah, I'm a little bit nervy, but I'm a survivor. Woo! I am here. The drive down was not bad at all. It's currently like after 11 and I put it to reach here like 11:30, so that was good. Yeah, I'm gonna check in, come to eat, and wait until it's time to board my lunch. Already, this is such a big upgrade. This will give me a JFK vibe. You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas ain't on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to. Guys, in here look good and everything, but why one base casita $20? Why 10-piece nuggets are $17? I don't understand. But anyways, I checked in I'm getting food. After this, I go find my gate. I know, crazy work. I stand up in a food line. I'm gonna know which one I get it. I look very weird from this angle, but we'll live for it now. It's kind of warm in here. The flight get delayed by an hour. So, yeah. Oi. Alright guys, so I have reached my destination. It's actually the next day. It's the next morning. Yeah, it's the next day. But the whole the flight was smooth, the immigration process was smooth. The only thing was there was this like 1 hour delay, but that was fine because it was raining here, so that's why that happened. But yeah, the experience flying from Montego Bay, I honestly forgot a couple times that I was still in Jamaica. It definitely does give foreign. It kind of make me feel like the Santo Domingo airport, as well as some aspects of it kind of give me a JFK vibe. So yeah, so that's that. But I am so sad to announce that we have ended an era which one never really like I just gonna get it out. I hold in my hand, let me see if it's gonna focus, my navel ring. I no longer have a navel piercing because it rejected. It was rejecting and I was in denial until yesterday. I noticed that every time I bathe and like it get loose, I would feel it like dangling in the hole, and I never felt that, and that started happening like for the past week and a half. And I noticed that is a part of it rejecting. But then yesterday when I was sitting at the airport and I looked on it, I realized that where the bottom part initially was, it was no longer there, and the piercing was basically holding on for dear life by a little piece of skin. I'm gonna insert a picture of them here. So I made the decision last night to take it out when I got here. It wasn't painful taking it out because I said to that dangle, as soon as I screw off the top, it just drop out of my belly. Because I'm gonna do it after my shower. So this is how my stomach is looking now. There is this bump that I've been battling with for the longest. I don't know how I'm going to get rid of it. I already press it out, like I soak it with warm water, and I make sure I say everything what did in there come out. And yeah, will I re-pierce? I don't think so, because it did start. I know in the beginning they say, oh, it's the easiest piercing I ever have, but I do wear a lot of clothes that would snag on the piercing. So, and then it did, I don't know if I'm a posture or what, but it did start get lean. So I say, you know what, that one here are just not for me. I've never had a piercing reject before. This is my first time, and yeah, I'm sad that this is how it had to end. But R.I.P. R.I.P. to the hot girl something. That only started a couple months ago. It's never a right time to say goodbye. I have a memory box, so I'm going to put this in my memory box. I'm going to save it and put it in the memory box. But yeah, that is done for. Not doing that again. As it relates to what I'll be doing on this trip, I will be doing a few exciting stuff. However, it is Saturday, August 2nd when you guys are seeing this, when I'm filming this. So I won't start doing stuff. It's the weekend now. I won't start doing stuff until in the week. And I'm here for a little while, so I won't be, I don't know if I'm going to do a compilation vlog or I'm going to like split it up, but either way, we will see. Because the vlog has started, right? Me I yap for 4 minutes and 20 seconds now, so I'm going to let you guys go. But before you go, the Knutsford ride was a 10 out of 10. I sleep for half it, so it just feel like I took a 1 hour ride down to Moby. And then the flight was good. The only thing though, them thieving at the airport, which is to be expected because a tourist city, furthermore, white people that travel from there mostly, so the prices are gonna be ridiculous. But yeah, that's that. Love the ambience down there. So yeah, I would give the overall experience flying through Sangsters and traveling down by Knutsford a 8 out of 10. I 8 just for comedy. But I don't know. I don't know. Probably a 9. But anyways, yeah, I will see you guys when I am doing something, very much something. So yeah. Alright guys, so it is a couple days later. As you guys can see, I have some ears on my head because we are actually going to the Great Wolf Lodge. It's a place that somewhere where I always sip on like Nickelodeon, like you know when them used to do them sweepstakes giveaway, them used to like say, you know, you can win trip go like Great Wolf Lodge and place that TV alone you about the place upon. But we're actually staying there for 2 nights. Already checked in, we just needed to circle back to actually get the stuff. Long story, just yeah, but I have everything now, so we're actually going to go there. But I'm going to watch Jurassic World Rebirth before we stay there for the night. So yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks when I get there. Alright, so we're here. We stopped at the movies first. I gotta watch Jurassic World. I got this thing called Dippin' Dots. I've been seeing it all over TikTok, so I said, I wanna try it. This one is a Hawaiian crumble. Hopefully it tastes good. Come enough. Should I take a cookie and cream, but him say it tastes like pina colada. And I know some I don't even like pina colada, but we're gonna try it. Is there a bathroom on the way?
Shammy, I can't piss off. The batch in the street,
no, see right there, so.
It's not straight though.
Oh, listen to me.
I'm gonna take our seats.
No, wait for me now. Here comes, sir. By the way, this is the OOTD. Nothing fancy, because I went on the road earlier just to, you know, like when you're in the apple tree. So this is what I have on. I have the blanket coming out, so I go cold. But yeah, so maybe just throw on the, oh, not like that. So maybe just throw on this because yeah, and then we ended up here. So yeah, let's see what this is looking. Ice cream, right? Let's see. I don't like this. Taste it.
Yeah, me taste it and give me some much. Show that one there.
I'll give it 7 out of 10 for flavor purposes. So yeah. Wicked.
Watch out,
watch out, watch out. What?
This is my deathbed.
Good morning. It is Wednesday, August 6th, aka Emancipation, Independence Day. Period. I'm the only one repping though. Yeah, it's like our first day here, so we're going to go to the water park. I never get for sure no I come inside last night because it was pretty late and my hands it full. I have like my suitcase and food and all that, so I couldn't show no the place, but it's pretty basic upon entering. But yeah, I think right now we're gonna go get breakfast and then we're gonna come back, change and go to the water park. And everybody is so concerned about my bikini. I said, guys, I don't even like some of what it did. If my body did big more, I understand. But me in a bikini not affect the pit of them. Really and truly. Them can't afford to see my little pancake. They'll be fine. But yeah, that's what I gotta do. And then I don't know, we'll see where the day takes us. I don't know how much I can vlog because it is water and the camera don't really rate me like that, so we'll see. But right now we're gonna figure out food and then I'll come back. We are back from getting food and this is the OOTD for the pinning them place.
Yeah, that's true.
Bread. So we're gonna head down now. Yeah. Alright guys, this is the Great Wolf Lodge. Honestly, I was expecting a lot. Like seeing it on TV when I was younger. I don't know if I'm so fun. I always thought it was like, you know, but it's pretty mid. There is another part that's outside, but it's not like big or anything. But yeah, this is it. Like, I want to indulge, but at the same time, it's just 1 week. Well, tomorrow make one. Well, today make 1 week since I did the perm market, and it's been holding up so good. I don't want to wet it up. Thanks. So I don't know if I want to really get in the water.
You're gonna slide.
I'm not going to know what to say. I'm not going to know what to say. I'm not going to know what to say.
Baby, we can fix your hair.
It's not about fixing the hair. Yeah, PTSD.
You want to go down here first and tell her
No, you're not going to tell me the truth.
I don't like it.
You would. Yeah, when I remember Bahamas, so I was supposed to get the GoPro footage, but the lifeguard had to come save me. I'm not doing no slide. But, yeah. Probably get something for drink. And then see where the day takes us.
What's that do?
Well, come down the stairs.
No, no what? Not on the blue one.
Guys, let me try beat me up. I've heard this story before. Oh, the kids are doing it. By the way, I'm going to go on one. I am change my bikini because the other one I never feel comfortable there. But they're like, oh, the kids are doing it. Don't be scared. Me. I had them tell me last time. Me them know for swim. Me them know for swim. Him go for one a while ago where you stand up in there and the thing just open and go down. Come out, can't even talk. I mean, you forgot that? Me really go find that. You're crazy. No, you didn't catch my breath. You just couldn't even get a word out. Yeah, I want your elbow. What's your elbow? You look at my elbow? I mean, look at my elbow. I mean, I'm arthritis. Yeah, right.
I'm 6'1".
So we just came back from the water park. Honestly, I give it like a 7 out of 10. You guys know there's only like 2 slides that I never went on because, as I say, PTSD from Bahamas. But the ones that I went on, they were good. I just feel like it's mostly for kids. Like majority of the area is for children. And then we were trying to go in a hot tub, but it was too full, so just left us alone. But yeah, we're gonna get food now, and I think that's going to be it for today. Not gonna lie, I don't like not being in Jamaica for certain holidays. And you know, it's years we've been at this. We always travel between the 1st and the 6th. I can't tell when last we actually really celebrate emancipation and independence at Jamaica. But yeah, it was a 7 out of 10 for me. So yeah, I think I'll see you guys. I think I'm supposed to be going tubing another day. I'm not 100% sure about that, but I will see you guys next time. Guys, I'm officially the world's worst vlogger. But we will survive. We will push through and we will survive. It's currently Friday and I'm getting ready to go to a party. I never said this wasn't really like planned, but hey, sometimes the best nights are the spontaneous nights. So I'm about to do my makeup. The perm curls, they are non-existent. Them they don't exist no more. Them they gone from the moment me touch water slide, and I knew that would happen, so it's whatever. But I got a few new products. I got this e.l.f. loose setting powder, and I got this 16-hour wear e.l.f. concealer. The one that I had before was the hydrating concealer with the white top. and that did a crease bad and I feel like this now focus on my face properly. I feel like I can't bother with that camera, you know. I can't bother with that camera, yeah. But anyways, yeah. So I'm trying out the 16-hour concealer. So we're gonna see how it works out. I don't think I'm going to record during the process because I try to hurry it up a little bit. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done and I'm dressed and ready to go. This is how the concealer is looking so far. I use it under my eyebrows. I know this camera is not focusing. I know I can't see well without glasses, but I can't see well to focus on eye. Yeah, so it's underneath my eyebrows. The reason why I switched to a darker shade is because sometimes I feel like when I use the lighter ones, it's a hit or miss. So I changed the shade of the powder. I did not get a banana powder or a translucent powder. I got a darker shade powder, and I got a concealer that matches closer to my skin. What I'll probably do if it's too dark though is double layer. We'll see how it turns out. Fingers crossed it look good, because yeah, I'm not have time to wash it off and do it over. Wait, we'll see it turn out. Alright guys, I know the lighting isn't the best, but I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. Which way better for sure now? In this way. So this is it. Wearing my Bridgets and this cute little top. Like shaping it kinda give me a warm time because I don't know. I wanna know semi-iron. I never band with the curves in a waist. In the sense that I don't have any hips, but I'm doing my best in making it fall in a flattering way. I don't know. And then I'm wearing this bag because it's a blacky desk, so this whenever I realized I thought I put my white bag in my suitcase. Apparently I didn't. This is how the makeup came out. I like it. I am happy with my decision, and this is the powder and concealer shade I will stick to from now on until I decide to want something lighter again. So yeah, this is the outfit of the night. I'm gonna get 2 little snaps and then we're gonna head out. So I'll see you guys at the event if I take any snaps on my phone, but I don't think I'm carrying the camera. But yeah, you guys will see any clips from my phone from the event if the event go on, because it's the same place that I went the last time I was here, like glue. So yeah, made it back. It's currently she might kill me. I'm gonna take off the makeup and come go sleep. I am tired, beat out. Party was like the last time. If you know, you know. But no. Yeah. Good night. Yeah. Alright guys, it's the next day. Currently getting ready for another event that we're going to today. It's like a street dance. That's what they market it as, a street dance, but it's like an outdoors party. The one that we went to last night, it wasn't bad. It just didn't have a lot of people, but the vibe was like good in my opinion. The way the DJ was playing and stuff. It's just that the turnout wasn't like a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna get started on my makeup. Running a little behind, but hey, you know. I liked how this turned out yesterday, but I feel like say I can blend it out a little better. Cause when I see the makeup with flash, it was like so I could try do that a little better. So yeah, this event is like a it's in celebration of Independence Day for all the Jamaicans living here. So I'm wearing my colors. I didn't want to wear something that said Jamaica on it, so I just decided to wear the colors. Still pretty obvious, but you know, it's still it's more like, yeah, not like Jamaica. So yeah, I'm gonna focus on this, and then once I'm done, I'll come to you guys and give you guys the OOTD. I think I'm gonna carry my camera to this event. Really and truly, guys, there was nothing to show me last night. Nothing to show me. So don't even feel no way about that. But I'm gonna carry my camera today. So if I can feed y'all. So I'll see you guys when I'm done with my makeup. So I take a line from the tool finger head them pour a little finger. Why would I do that though? Why would you do that? Everybody can just all get along and live good. Why not do that? Why do you want me to crash out? Huh? Alright, so for the first time ever since I do makeup, I'm gonna try the white waterline thing. I think it's really cute. I bought this pencil off Amazon. Hopefully it's pigmented enough. If only it will open. Why don't package them sitting there so tight? Like when I would take them out, I understand so now for preserve it, but Jesus man, see it's not usual show. I don't have time to be fighting with you right now, just cooperate with me, but Jesus. It still not come off like cover. Crazy work. But anyway, hopefully it's pigmented enough. It's a Wet n Wild one. Let's see. I should hold this with my powder puff so that if there's a mark. What I can't see? Wanna see? Nothing look like that still. Anyway, so come. Tell me why may I see white? Why may I see white? It didn't, but hopefully it's there. Alright. Makeup is done. I feel like the line is somewhat there. I can see it when I look in the mirror, but hey, me not like go road with man, you know? Me don't like go road with man. Me don't like go road. Because why you rush me, sir? Why are you rushing me? And then people I come out my ear with some water and conditioner in a spray bottle, and then I use some gel on it like 2 hours ago to try and manufacture some curls, because my ear, it as much as it I mixed, the curl them not come so easy to me. I don't know why. So I see how it look now. If anything, I just have to go do one regular low ponytail. I wanted to do a half down, but we come in so late this morning. Wake up. Yeah, but I don't like when we have a rush. But yeah, I'm basically done. So I'm gonna just pull out this comb my ear, and then when I'm done put on my clothes, I'm showing them. I want to take 2 little cute picture. Leave me alone, name of Jesus here. Oh. No, I used to look nice. I used to look cute. I used to look acceptable. Over this one I look the same way. No, it does not. If I use enough gel over this one. Can't bother. Everything in our life has stress. I just can't bother. Alright guys, so I'm ready. Trying to find where the lighting is the best. So this is the outfit. I'm wearing this bodysuit, this chain, some green earrings and all, green, black, yeah, and then I'm wearing these red heels for picture purposes, and this is the bag. I don't have the look of, yeah. So I'm actually ready on time, so I'm going to try and get some pictures and then we're gonna head to the event. Hopefully it's giving. So yeah, we're about to head out. Really liking this fit. I love when I imagine something and it just come out exactly how I imagine it. And I know them with it. Yeah, so I'm gonna try get some flicks and then go. So I'll see you guys at the party. People were there at the back of the dance here.
Problem in the dance.
Huh?
Problem in the dance.
Even if I try, so worries in the dance.
Worries in the dance. You all should have care from Mr. Gala Wild Bars and in a slow-mo. 3, 5, 4, in a theater.
Quick stop. Yeah, so we came to IHOP because the part, alright, how them set up the event, I don't know, it kind of doesn't make sense because where we would go to get food is behind the stage, and as you can see the event was packed, so nobody never did walk through that road there. So we decided to stop at IHOP. What would I give the party out of 10? I'm gonna give it a 4 for the simple fact that the DJs don't know what they're doing. I don't know. Them people who call themselves DJ, they need to get it together because there's no reason. The party's about to end and at your family, and after all, like, hell no. But yeah, I get food and then leave. So I'm gonna show you guys what I get. I got a blue some. The other day I got Ras. I'm gonna take boosting to try this chili mango. It's like the compressed mango in like the packets. You know, the super preserved fruits. I don't know why I take the boosting. The thing tastes so bad. I'm gonna show you. I'm reach back at the house. Nasty. I'm kind of scared. I really want to try nothing too new or too out the way because this tastes like them put club soda in this one. Some form of acid in this. Don't you feel? This is what I got: a chicken fajita omelette. Oh, that bacon temptation. Them could put the bacon on top. And I got a side of hash browns. Let's see what it's hitting for. Good afternoon, guys. So today we're running a few errands. The first one is to drop off some stuff to the post office. So I did this impression kit thing. I didn't show you guys because it was a little tedious and it did breed me. I just didn't want to focus on getting it done properly, but in a sense I'm getting a new retainer. When I was getting my braces off, I wasn't given the option of clear trays or the metal retainer, and I wanted the metal retainer because I know that the clear tray isn't very durable. So I went ahead and I got this off Amazon, and I'm about to return it to the people so that them can send me back the actual retainer. So I'm actually here to do it. So cool. Hey guys, as I was saying, it's loading, man. Oh, I don't know how to turn on the AC. Oh. Anyways, I'm hoping they can't hear me, but yeah, as I was saying, how it works, they send the impression material to you. You do the impression yourself and you ship it back to them so them can send the retainer to you. I decided to go this route because it's much cheaper than actually getting a new retainer in Jamaica. I paid $75,000 for my retainer, and this was $100 on Amazon, or 90 something dollars. So it worked out better for me. So I will let you guys know how it works out when I get the actual thing. Thanks. When I get the metal retainer sent back to me, if it's worth it. But based on the reviews, I think I'm going to pay for these. So yeah. Just up and get food already, Robin. And but as soon as I sit down and I realize I'm gonna forget the camera in the car. At this point, only just cuss me. Only just cuss me and done. I deserve the cussing at this point. We pretty much got everything done that we need to get done. It's just one more step that we need to make. But yeah, as I was saying about the retainers, I did not get the luxury of an option, and I did not want the clear acrylic retainers because I don't know what's in my no. You brush that with toothpaste one time, it's foggy. There's no getting it clear again. It's raining outside if it's getting dark. But yeah, once you brush that with toothpaste one time, it's, and then mine started cracking up because I do like clench my teeth in my sleep, so the back ones crack up, back part I crack up real bad, and I just always wanted the metal one because it's way more durable. I don't care if it's ugly because I only wear it when I'm going to bed. I don't care who sees me at that time, and it no matter to me, at least, for it to be unnoticeable. So yeah, as I said, it's the Hollies retainer. I just typed in metal retainer on Amazon and it came up. I don't have an Amazon storefront, but I will find a link and put it in the description box if anybody's interested. But yeah, as I said, it's $100, and you shipping it back to them is free of cost because they generate the label for you and you just go and ship it off. So yeah, I can't wait to get it back. I'm supposed to get it back within 7 to 10 days, so I'm pretty excited about this. As I said, you guys will see when I get it, if it fits and all of that. Hopefully, I pray to God it does. Everybody else said it for them own good, so if my own are good, then I just saw. But yeah, food I heard of it was good. Sorry, I'm never bring the camera. But yeah, we have a few more stuff that we're gonna be doing. We were supposed to go out of state to another state, but honestly it would just be for the beach. I'm gonna feel like for drive 10 hours just for the beach. I don't like the beach that much, so we're gonna go tubing a couple days from now because the rain is going to rain. It's been raining since I got here, and it's going to rain for the next couple of days. So I don't know which day we're gonna really get to do that, but that's on the agenda. Bowling is on the agenda. I already went to the movies, you guys saw that, and some other stuff. So I will keep you guys in the loop. Outside of that, I'm just here. So yeah. So we're at this place called Frozen Custard. Never had custard before. Them say it's just more egg yolks in it that differentiate it from ice cream. So let's see how it tastes. Hopefully I'm gonna cook up myself. By the way, this is my little OOTD, and I just have on my sneakers. But yeah. Okay, let's try it. Yeah, that's good.
There's a strawberry shortcake at the bottom. You're gonna dig down to the bottom. You gotta power through, girl.
What?
Wow. I'm good.
Them people, one thing about them got add a strawberry.
Well, it's called a strawberry shortcake.
It's good, guys. I kinda like how thick it is, and I think that's because it has more egg yolks. Out of 10, I give it a 9. I like it.
What are we doing today?
We're working today. All day.
All day long.
Mister guys, I was working all day until one piece of light. I never even know so rain did fall. I just hear one piece of lightning and the whole place get bright. And the Wi-Fi gone. I never know so Wi-Fi could have gone foreign. And them say them have to go send one technician. Hey, this just coming like some flow business. Them say them have to go send one technician a man in for fix it because them don't know why it not come back. So we there bored out of our mind, and then she say one movie Freaky Friday. By the time I reach it to the show that start already. So I say we'll go watch one show named Weapons or Keep on us on TikTok. But we have to rush because the show start 10:20 and 10:05 and it's a little ways from here. So I wonder say if I just bum it out. No, I'm not bum it out. Me a girl. Never a flap girl. Me put on clothes. Me put on clothes. See me can make a edge in a 0.2 seconds. Can I say, you know, suppose a girl when I like me go see me out the road. You know, I always them something at me, you know, when you don't look good. You buck up your abs. Me have to look good. You know? Yeah. How long that take? Find clothes, put on real quick and jump out. So guys, I have so much to tell you guys because the last time you saw me was when I went to watch Weapons. So we'll talk about that. Before that, I went into a store just now and I saw this thing. It's called Naked Mighty Mango. It's like a puree juice type of thing. When me just say, I say, no, look at it, it tastes good. But I taste one, the strawberry banana one, and that was really good. So I'm excited to try this now because you know, say me and mango go together real bad. I cut up the mango them. You know, so one style where she will like bad mango them and cut them up and store them in a container. I've been doing that. But yeah, we're gonna try this. Remember me telling you say I go Ross and get this spicy mango thing, chimango. But if I show no, we get too long. And the people them dash with the mango a while ago. So we're gonna try this and see how it tastes. Let's see. Oof. Mr. guys, when me that come, I'm there at the airport. Me that try to take up my suitcase off of the belt, but somebody's suitcase is there in front of us, so me that try to move for them suitcase. I don't know if I stone or dead by the people that have them suitcase. My wrist, I feel like my ring, my wrist. So every time I try to open something, it hurts. This really tastes like them take one mango and squeeze it up. It is good. It's good, but I wish it did have more of a jewelry taste rather than an East Indian. It tastes like East Indian. East Indian is not one of my favorite mangoes. I don't really like East Indian either. Me no, shoot me. Me don't really like East Indian either. It tastes like East Indian. It's good. But I prefer the strawberry banana. Or then put apple in there too. I give this one like a 8 out of 10. The strawberry mango, I eat a 9 out of 10. I take off that area. I tell them about dirty weapons. So, I'm telling about the one weapons she know, right? So, going into it, I did not watch a trailer. That's a thing of mine. I don't watch trailer. If I see what you talk about the show, I just find out the genre of the show, I'm gonna go watch it. I did not know it was a horror movie, right? Because based on the name and like the stuff for me that I see online, it kinda every time when I see a trailer I would already skip past it, but it kinda give me an action show vibe. And then I say, you know, are the best movie. You know, kinda like how they be that talk about Sinners when Sinners just come out, I saw they be that talk about it. So me I say, ah cool, may I go watch it. Then now I go, I wanted to come out because it was like it didn't give classic horror like at the beginning, like it was giving horror, and then it turned out to be complete garbage. Like I rated initially when I left I said a 6 out of 10, but the more I think about it, I rated a 4 out of 10, and the show really upset me because it traumatized me for no reason. I just feel like say the man, and then I went up, I googled it, like what was the point of the show, and then it said the author didn't know exactly where he was going with the script. Him did make it up as him go, and I'm like, what? Well, it makes sense. It makes sense because none of the questions were answered. I think the only question that was answered, I was asking why at the woman class everybody disappear from. We get the answer for that. That was the only answer. I don't know what the woman motive. I don't know what she da really do with the people. Why she da do it to the people. I hate the show so bad, and it actually traumatized me. Like I'm actually afraid. Like it made me afraid. I'm afraid for no reason because the show don't make no sense. Like the show don't make no sense. No sense. Piss me off. Freaky Friday what is supposed to watch, but by the time we reach, it should already start like 25 minutes, so it never made no sense. Weapon start later, so just watch Weapon. But that show pissed me off so bad. But yeah. I've been supposed to go tubing. But it's been raining. Ever since I got here, it's been raining. Like every single day. I think sun only shine 2 days since I've been here. Like for the whole day, sunshine 2 days. So this vlog, I'm going to wrap it up by Sunday. It's currently Thursday. So I'm going to go tubing. I'm going to do a few more stuff next week. And then I'll show you guys that in a separate vlog. After the ending of this vlog, I don't know how it's going to end. I don't think I'll probably go on the road tomorrow, go into Atlanta tomorrow, but yeah. But which movie I'm watch first? Jurassic is a dinosaur show. I feel like at this point them can't give it up because all of the storyline them have merged together, everything have blend together. You can't even remember what. It's a classic. You get stranded on a dinosaur island, people dead, some survive. Classic. Nothing more, nothing less. Only different faces. Same plot. Somebody turn past somebody selfish, somebody gone, want to kill off somebody. It was a solid 6 out of 10. Yeah. So I time of watch Superman, but I think Superman gone. I'm not sure. But whenever I say Superman, when we that look. So yeah. Just I go come do some little editing. I'm not even start edit this vlog. I know it's gonna be a little length. I should probably I'm gonna start editing it tomorrow, which is Friday if we not go on the road. But yeah, that's movie review with Shami. So yeah, ain't catching up tomorrow or any day that I'm actually doing something over this weekend. Later. Alright guys, so it's Friday morning and we're going tubing. I feel like this is my This is a room I come into before I show the outfits because I don't know, the lighting is just better. But this is what I'm wearing. Oh, wait. This is what I am wearing. I don't know if you guys remember this cover up from Zimmy last year. I don't know if I vlogged that Zimmy last year actually. But yeah, I wore this cover up last year at Zimmy say River, and I just got this bikini Shein. It has these nice little details on it, so that's why I really liked it, you know, don't mind. Yeah, so we are going tubing, super excited for that. Yeah, this camera battery is dying, and that is justified because it's been in there. I have my Gen X phone case thing. But we're gonna head out because we're a ways out from the actual place. So I'm going to get myself together and I'll come back to you guys when I'm actually in the car on the way to the place. People reach around one apartment to the say I be a America flag me and sleep in the house them. Be a America flag me and sleep in the house them. And this look like
That's the best part of the vlog.
this looks like country like tractor country like. Well, I think we're 22 minutes away, so we are here, but I'm not going to carry the camera with me. I'll be switching over to the glasses, so I'm not gonna see my face after this. Yeah. We're here. That is the start point. As for these rocks, all sections, falling branches, and trees. Guys, okay, rain a come down. By the time me done do this, my arm was them chang. We have some minor setbacks, but ultimately we have a major comeback. We feel like we might end this tournament in first place. How you feeling, co-captain? No man, look more enthusiasm than that man.
You know, come out here and do what coach tell us to do.
Yeah.
Execute.
Yeah. We do everything in town for do and we do best. So we only expect to get the best outcome soon at the finish line.
I take off your socks.
Paper. One piece. A rain come down. We in at me see my life flash before my eyes. People. Not only the rain come down, lightning a strike like wow. Then I really saw me a go out. In 2 hours, I feel like we could have second with 1 hour, a little bit too much. Cause now me need them a hat me and my body feel like it's not used to me. But it was fun. All in all it was fun. So hair soak, I never bargain for my head wet. My head won't wash by the way. So gel, when the rain had tear, gel around down in my eye, I could see. It was an experience. But we're heading back now. So I'll see you guys when we settle or whenever. Alright guys, so it's currently Monday actually. And I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I don't know if you can hear by my voice, but I'm kind of coming down with something and you can guess why. I mean, listen, the rain was catching at the river was no, I never no joking. Like, I literally feel like I almost have a panic attack. Because it did a beat really hard and I already have this thing where if I'm surrounded by a body of water and like I can't see the end of it, it kind of tripped me out. The thing that was saving me was because it was kind of narrow. I could see the sides and the sides were easily reached. But seeing the rain coming down and all of that, and then I know so when rain fall and you're in a river, the river get more aggressive and we had an hour left, all of that kind of play. But that's not why I'm sick. I'm sick because the rain that fall upon we. It was crazy. And then we did come up under a bridge, but everybody, like other people that were touring, were saying, you know, it don't make no sense to stop because we have a long way to go to end the thing, because it was a 2 hour option. So if we stop under the bridge and the rain not stop no time soon, it'll gonna take forever for we're done. So you know what, everybody was like, let's just power through the rain and hurry up and come out. But yeah, I kinda have a little something, not too bad, but I'm just here working. So I'm going to go ahead and close out the vlog. I wanted to give you guys this vlog today. It's actually finished. I just need to sort out something before I upload it, so more than likely you guys will be getting it tomorrow, which is today, Tuesday. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I should have another vlog ready for you guys next week, Monday. Fingers crossed if everything goes well. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Well, and hopefully I'll be better in the next vlog. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye. Mwah.